Okay, so we're gonna brown through the pork. We're gonna fry it. Season it with all the seasoning that's above. And look how beautiful that is. Alright, so that's what's in there. Then we're gonna brown it on each side for 4 minutes roughly. Look how beautiful that is. Then you're gonna throw in your seasoning and everything that you brown. Then you're gonna put some water, like half. Then some browning. Cut up all your vegetables, carrot, potato, whatever you have. Make some coconut rice. Alright, so pressure it for at least 15 minutes. That's it. You don't need to go anymore. And then look how beautiful that is. That is absolutely gorgeous, right? Yum. Then, wow, look what we have. That is sexy. That's a sexy piece of meat. Then you're gonna throw in your Irish potato and carrot. Cook it down for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Or if you don't want that much gravy, cook it down more than that till it come down, until everything is cooked. Look how beautiful that is. Yo, the pork is sexy, no lie. Anyways, that looks so good, right? Jeez. Yeah, man. Look how good that is. Anyways, do you see that? Wow. This is absolutely gorgeous. See a coconut rice, share it out. Put some pork on it. Look on that. Jeez. That's sexy. Actually, it tastes much better than it looks. Slap on some green on the plate and there you go. Nothing more, nothing less. Oh my god. That is so good. Trust me, guys. Try this recipe and tell me how it is. Bud.
Make we go in a delight, happy nice, lucky door. Set you up on your knee, naffy score. Set the ballador when you wine, watch it goal. Girl, you are me queen, and me wife, and me your money for your spree.